Metaphor, and today we will be performing over here tonight. And the first song is one of the patriotic songs, and we would like to dedicate this song to ISL. So everyone, come up here! Not his united, not his united.